so I have another swap reveal, and this swap is from Diane, and Diane is on Instagram and YouTube, and her YouTube is Diane Design 7759, and her Instagram is Diane's Design. And I will make sure that I have her YouTube linked in the title and her Instagram linked in the description bar. So she did make me a little gift, which I will open first. And then she did something so cute. She did like a little printout, which I love because I can never remember what the requirements are. So let me open up this adorable little hostess gift first. And it looks like a notebook, which I love. Oh my gosh, I love a notebook. Okay, so first she made this adorable bag, and she put this little flamingo and a leaf on it, and she did the little hostess little KS Craft things, and I want you to see this whole bag. Oh man, this is so cute. I love this little miniature of the flyer. I don't know, I'm obsessed with miniature things, but look how pretty this is, and the paper and the gold. So pretty. It looks like we're going somewhere tropical. Okay, this is shipping. Thank you so much. And then oh, she made me some bows. Yay, yay, yay. Okay, so let me just let you guys see these since this is not a clear. So she made me a couple of bows, and look how pretty these are. I love these bows. They are one of my favorites. Look how pretty, and I love the little bling on the inside. I love it. So pretty. And then, oh, she made some little motel keychains, and I love that you reused your packaging, because we all have all these orders from AliExpress and Temu. And I love that you reused it, because otherwise, you know, we just waste the bags. So I love that. Okay, look how cute. Okay. Oh my gosh, a whole bunch of stuff. Okay, so she made me this motel keychain. Adorable. I love this. I actually made this recently too for a challenge. And look how pretty this sequin mix is. It has like shells and hearts and all kind of goodies in here. And look at the background. It has a pretty floral design. So cute. And then look at these glasses. These are so cute. I love them. I love that you use like an acetate that's colored, because they literally look like sunglasses. So cute. And then an admit one, again with this little flamingo and a little bow on top, and these tiny little flowers that I love. And this is a new die actually from the KLJUYP store. And it's nice because they had a Halloween release, but one of them just says admit one, so it works like all the time. Look at this little purse. You guys, these are all the things that you would pack. Look how cute. Look at the little bikini. Oh my gosh. And these shells that she inked. Diane is so talented. Like, she's an actual artist, guys. So make sure you go check her out. And Handmade with Love by Diane's Designs. I love that. I love your stamp. And then look at this seashell shaker. So pretty. And she put the prettiest little like thingies in here for the shaker mix. I love that. Love, love. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at this memory decks. Oh, I'm so glad her address is not on there, because I would have had to edit that out of the video. But look at this, you guys. So I think this is this KS Craft, I think, that made this sandcastle die. And of course, Diane did what Diane does, which is made this look so amazing. So she has this little mesh, 2 layers of mesh, like this mesh trim and then this floral mesh. And then she did gold for the accents. How pretty. And then look at this distressed paper. And she just inked all of this. She paper pieced all of this together. This is beautiful. I love this so much. And it says sunshine, OMG. And this is her memory decks, and it says her birthday is May 3rd. Her favorite colors are pink, gold, and glitter. Her favorite projects are MDCs, like she did, swaps and bows, and she loves paper crafting and diamond painting. Oh my gosh, and this is so sturdy, guys. Like, look how thick it is. So many layers. I love, I love, I love. Thank you so much, Diane. And then we have a notebook here. And I love a notebook. So this is a Field Note 64-page notebook. Oh, it has dots. And look how cute. Look how cute this is. I love this so much. So thank you so much. And the nice thing about these are that you can like you can cover them. You can do all kind of stuff with them. And I love that. So this is so nice. Thank you so much for this. Okay, now let's get to the swap. Let's get to the swap. So she has her little, crafty snack. So let me tell you the requirements, since I have them right here. You have to do a beaded item, pen, pokey tool, dangle tassel, 1 memory decks, 4 decorated embellishments, which are like rosettes, bows, tags, banners, whatever, 4 decorated die cuts of items that you would actually pack on the trip. So this is like articles of clothing, toiletries, makeup, whatever, have fun. 2 shakers, 2 bag toppers, one travel essential, which is non-crafty and is $5 and under, and then one favorite travel snack, no candy. So she did, for her travel snack, these yummy, yummy, yummy pretzel pieces that are honey mustard and onion, yummy, yummy. So that is for her swap partner. And then look at her travel box that she made here. Look how cute it is. Look at these. I love these so much. She really like made it look so nice. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let me see if I can, yes, I can open this up without ruining anything and being able to put it back how I found it. Yes, this is very easy. Thank you, Diane, for making it so easy for me. She put her memory decks right on top. And she looks like she did the ticket memory decks. I love this. I love this. I love this so much. Oh my gosh, and I love that she made it into a tag. Like, how cute is this? Obsessed. Okay, so, oh no, this is not her memory decks. This is just decor. How pretty. So look at this amazing ticket that she put as like decoration. So she has this Blame It on the Tiki bar ticket on top. And then this is a shaker ticket, and it is layered to perfection. So it says Aloha in this gold. We have this. This is actually on a stick. This anchor that is foam and paper pieced and amazing. All of these lovely flowers, this mesh in the background, this bow here. Look at the little crab. I love the stitching on the crab. And look at look how she did the, you know, the things for on the crab, you know, those things. I don't know what they're called. The little snapper things are in glitter. Oh, the leaves, another one of these. So cute. Oh man, Diane, I could like look at this forever. You guys, look at this. It's so pretty. And I love the shaker in the background. And then her box is so well made. And she put little buckles, which is adorable. I love the paper you use too. And it is sturdy, guys. Okay, it's not going anywhere. And look at this. Adorable. So we first are met with our passport. So cute. Oh my gosh, this is a passport from Jolie's. I'm gonna open this only because you guys, if you're anything like me, you're curious. Like, what is it on the inside? Look how cute this is. It even has pages for you to get stamps. Adorable. Oh my gosh, this is not like a sticker. This is like a thing, like a whole embellishment. It's like a notebook. It's called an embellishment, but it's adorable. So we have that. Okay, we have some bows. You guys, look how pretty these are. And she made 3 of them. And they are gorgeous. And I love how she labeled everything. And then look at the bag topper. Pineapples for sale. So cute. I love. And then we have some rosettes here. Oh my goodness. Look at this one with this pineapple on it. Adorable. And then look here. We have this one that she put all this floral mesh, and she used that really pretty paper. So cute, Diane. Oh my goodness. And then this one we have to open because I think, oh, this is all the same goodies as what she sent me, except on the front here. So all of these are the same. But this guy is different, I think. Let's take this guy out. Oh, and look, we also have a banner. Okay, no, we have a few things that are a little different. So these are different. I mean, yeah, those are the same as what she sent me. But I'll show them to you anyway. So we have the purse. We have the same shaker, the hotel shaker, but she made some cutie glasses. So she made my glasses in yellow, and then she made some blue heart ones. Aren't these cute? Oh my gosh, adorable. These die cuts are just everything. And then we have this purse here. And then we have another one of the tickets, which we did have before. But then we have this really pretty, I think this is a Jaded Blossom die. I love their dies. Usually you can tell because there's like so much stitching on them. But this is a little pineapple. I think it's them. And it's so cute. OMG, I love a banner die. And then on here she has Admit One. And on the inside, she has some ticket die cuts for you. So she put, you have your own tickets already ready to go. And that was a little bit different. So she has this really pretty green, like matte foil, a holographic. This one that says Aloha, actually 2 of these. One that's not decorated, one that says Aloha, and then another one of the Admit One. So you can do whatever you want with these. You need your tickets. And those go in here as well. Adorable, Diane. So cute. Okay, so I'm gonna, oh, these are mine. Okay, no, so keep those separate. Okay, then we have, she gave you some of these. little flamingo stickers, the foam stickers. So cute. And then her bag toppers. Oh my gosh. Okay, so look at this bag topper that she put on top, which just has these flowers and it says relax. And she put this is like a puffy sticker of seaweed, I guess, I think. Coral reef, whatever that is. And then look how cute these bag toppers are. Wait, this one is just, look how cute this is, you guys. Look how cute she made you a tiki bar. What a creative idea for this. This is such a good idea. I love this so much. So she has that bag topper, and then she also has this one that says, hello, sunshine. I love these flowers. Where are these? Are these flowers? Did they come with this? This is so pretty. Where's this dye from? It's beautiful. I love it. So cute. Oh, man. Adorable. Okay, travel essential. Kleenex, lip balm, things you need. And then here we have these adorable book embellishments. Oh, I love a book. If you know me, you know I love a book. And look at this book, has the crab on it again. These little snappy things. You guys are going to tell me what they're called. Claws, maybe? I don't even know. It's hard to think when you're recording videos. Look how cute this little drink is from the little bar, the tiki bar. Oh, and I love these puffy stickers. Oh, Diane, you did such a great job. And then look at this, mermazing. And then she has 2 of these in here. One of them looks to be undecorated so that you can do what you want with it, and one is decorated. Yep, so that one she made for you, and then this one she decorated. And look at the whale in the background. You guys, the whale is embossed. Look at that. No, it's not a, is it a whale or is it a mermaid tail? I feel like it could be either. I know it says mermazing, but oh no, I think it's a mermaid tail just like curved around. It looks like a whale. And the bubbles, so cute. Cutesy. And of course, you know I love the glitter specialty paper because I love all the specialty things. Flowers. Look. Oh man, how pretty are these? You got some flowers, and I love this little box. I love the flowers on the box too. They're adorable. Did you make these? These are so pretty. I love those. And then you got the same kind of memory decks as me, this beautiful one here that has all of her info on the back. And then she gave you this little cutesy Dollar Tree sticker that says salty. So cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, look, another travel essential, an eye mask. She put a bunch of stuff in here. And then you guys look at this adorable. Diane has like the best beads. So I am not surprised that this is stunningly gorgeous. Look how pretty this is. Look at this star. This little sea star. Starfish, that's what they're called. Starfish. I'm like, what is the name? So pretty. Diane, you did such, this probably came off of something. You did such a great job. Thank you so much for joining another one of my swaps. I always love seeing your name when you sign up, and I know you're like so busy, so I really appreciate you taking time to be a part of this and blessing somebody with your amazing creations, because I know whoever gets this is going to love it, love it, love it. And you guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you go over to Diane's channel. I want the passport to be on top like it was, because when she gave it, when I opened it, I'm like, look at the cute passport. I want them to have that same experience. Anyway, you guys, make sure you go and show Diane some crafty love over on her channel. All of her stuff will be linked, so make sure you head over there and find her. This is just the cutest thing ever. And her box is closed. There we go. So we will package this back up and be good to go. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.